In the Indian Ocean, isolated by deep water and fierce monsoon winds, lies an island that time forgot, Socotra. It is a place where nature took a different path, and at the heart of this Galapagos of the East stands a silhouette so strange it feels like science fiction. This is the dragon blood tree, Dracaena cinnabari. With a canopy like an upturned umbrella and a sap as red as a heartbeat, it is one of the most evolutionarily distinct plants on Earth. Today, we journey to its rocky fortress to uncover the secrets of its survival and the legends written in its crimson veins. For centuries, the resin of this tree was a prized commodity in the ancient world. But where did it come from? Local legend tells of a prehistoric battle between a dragon and an elephant. As the dragon's blood spilled onto the parched earth, these trees sprouted from the soil, forever bearing the color of that ancient struggle. To the Romans and Greeks, this cinnabar was a mystical substance. It was used as a medicine, a dye for royal robes, and even a varnish for the world's most famous violins. But the true origin of the dragon blood tree is the story of extreme isolation. It is a living fossil, a relic of the Mayo-Pliocene forests that vanished from the mainland millions of years ago, finding its last stand on this tiny, rugged island. The dragon blood tree lives in a land of contradictions, surrounded by ocean, yet starved for rain. Its bizarre shape is not a mistake, it is a masterpiece of hydrological engineering. The dense, interlocking canopy acts as a giant parasol. By shading its own root system, the tree prevents the little water it has from evaporating in the blistering heat. But its most ingenious trick happens at night. When low-hanging clouds and mists roll over the plateau, the long, stiff leaves act as fog catchers. They trap microscopic droplets of moisture, which then trickle down the branches and trunk directly to the roots. It is a tree that literally waters itself from the sky. In the harsh Socotran environment, the dragon blood tree is a nurse plant. The temperature under its canopy can be several degrees cooler than the surrounding rock. This microclimate allows other endemic plants and lizards to survive the noonday sun. Its fruit, small orange-red berries, is a vital food source for local birds like the Socotra starling. As the birds eat the fruit and fly to distant cliffs, they deposit the seeds in the cracks of the limestone, ensuring the next generation of dragons can take root in the most inaccessible places. To the people of Socotra, the tree is a living pharmacy. The imzaloch, as they call the resin, is harvested with deep respect. It is used to treat everything from skin conditions and respiratory issues to its use as a potent antiseptic. Beyond medicine, the resin is used by local women as a cosmetic and by potters to glaze their wares. It is a deep cultural connection, a bond between the islanders and a tree that provides for them in a landscape where few things grow. But the dragon blood tree is in trouble. Despite surviving for millions of years, its future is now uncertain. Climate change is causing the mists to thin and the droughts to last longer. Furthermore, overgrazing by goats prevents young seedlings from ever reaching maturity. In many parts of the island, you see ghost forests, stands of ancient trees with no young ones to replace them. Without intervention, scientists fear the dragon blood tree could see a catastrophic decline within the next century. The dragon blood tree is a reminder of the Earth's incredible capacity for adaptation. It is a guardian of the mist, a provider of medicine, and a living link to our planet's deep past. As long as these crimson giants stand on the cliffs of Socotra, they tell a story of resilience, a story written in blood and carved by the wind. It is up to us to ensure that the dragon's blood continues to flow for generations to come.